Hi kids, how are you? We are going to start with a new chapter today. All of you take out your book. Yes, chapter number 8, patterns around us. So students, we see there are so many patterns around us. Like we see patterns in flowers, petals, trees, even the tiles at our home. So in the pavement also on the road, we see so many patterns. So what is the use of patterns, how we solve problems, like there are size patterns, number pattern, shape pattern, color pattern. So all this we are going to learn, that how to judge, how to compute what will be the next shape, next size or the next color in the pattern. Let's begin with pattern, decomposition, arranging. Let's just start the chapter.
I am practicing growing and repeating patterns on Decompress. It's a great fun, Kitty. What are you doing, Nikhil? Let's complete homework first. Pattern. Patterns are all around us. They are created when figures and shapes are arranged in a design. They are repeated over and over again. A repeating arrangement of numbers, colors and shapes is known as pattern. Design is the repetition of patterns. It could be lines, colors and shapes. Now, look at the following design and observe the pattern. Here, we can see a green square followed by a pink circle in repeat order which forms a pattern. Decomposition. Decomposition makes our work easy to solve. The process of breaking a problem into smaller parts is known as decomposition. Arranging. Placing a group of things at a proper place and in a particular order is called arranging. Look at the before and after cupboard shelves below. The cupboard before is unorganized and hence looks messy, whereas after looks arranged in a neat, attractive or ordered way. As we can see, messy clothes thrown on a shelf were decluttered. Most of clothing is carefully folded in boxes and nicely arranged in a proper order.